Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies. Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to share with you super effective remedy to turn white hair and gray hair to jet black and to get rid of the gray hair permanently with very simple ingredients at home. This magical remedy works like magic and it's also nourishing the hair. This remedy will restore the melanin production and will restore your hair color naturally. So the first thing we'll need in a clean mixing bowl, we'll need 2 tablespoons of rice flour, and here I have the rice flour medium grinded. And then we'll need 1 potato, and we need to peel off the potato because we're going to use the potato peel. And then my friends, will need a piece of fresh ginger, and we need to chop the ginger like so. And then we'll need aloe vera leaf, and we need to cut the aloe vera leaf in pieces like so. And then my friends, will need to place them all into a food processor or a grinder to grind them all to a very fine paste. Before we grind all the ingredients into a very fine paste, we need 1 lemon, and we need to cut the lemon in half and add the fresh lemon juice to all the ingredients. Now my friends, take all the ingredients and grind them to a very fine paste like so, and add it to the mixing bowl to add the rest of the ingredients. Now we'll need to add 1 egg white, and we need to crack the egg to separate the egg whites from the egg yolk like so. Egg is high in protein and rare minerals which will nourish your hair naturally in order to restore the natural color and the natural melanin. And now we need to add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, يعني كناري الكتل. And then we'll need to add very important ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of natural honey, يعني كي شهد. And honey here is an antibacterial and will help your scalp in order to produce the natural color. And then my friends, will need to add 2 teaspoons of henna powder, mehendi powder. And then we need to add 1 capsule of vitamin E, and you can use the 600 milligrams of vitamin E or 400 milligrams of vitamin E. Both will get you the same results. And now my friends, will need to add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline. And mix all the ingredients very, very well. Once you mixed and combined all the ingredients and we got our magical jet black hair is ready, apply it all over your hair, and this magical remedy will turn your hair to jet black naturally. Repeat this process 2 times a week, and you need to leave it in your hair. It's recommended to leave it overnight to get permanent results and to restore your hair color naturally. This magical remedy works 100% for all genetics and for all hair types. It will restore your hair color 100% and you will get rid of gray hair permanently. I hope this video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to never miss any upcoming simple and natural effective remedy, and I'll see you in my next video. So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those, that will help me a lot. and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.